And bam. Okay, so
I'd like you guys to meet my director of operations, Christine.
Thanks,
Try to
Dylan.
look at- Oh, sorry.
Yeah, how do we want to make that little handoff there?
My director of operations, Christine.
Thanks, Dylan.
a little louder, Christine.
Thanks, Dylan.
That was great. All right.
As Dylan mentioned, I'm the director of operations, so my role here is to make sure that your experience is smooth from the moment you make a reservation to the moment you walk back in the door after your incredible adventure.
Yeah.
Best known for keeping the ship upright.
And Christine GPT.
Yeah, that one's great.
Yeah.